This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. Today, we're diving deep into the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 Smoker Grill, a true game changer that promises the authentic charcoal flavor you crave with the convenience of a pellet grill. But here's a bold claim: this single unit might just be the only outdoor cooking appliance you'll ever need, blending the best of smoking, grilling, and even griddling into one powerful, smart package. Let's see if it truly lives up to the immense hype and its premium price tag. So, what exactly is the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800? It's a revolutionary charcoal smoker and grill from Masterbuilt, a brand consistently pushing boundaries in outdoor cooking technology. This isn't just another charcoal grill you struggle with, it's a smart cooking machine designed to eliminate the guesswork from achieving perfect barbecue results every time. It brilliantly solves the age-old problem of precise temperature control with charcoal, delivering consistent heat for anything from smoking low and slow for hours to searing at incredibly high temperatures in minutes. Think of it as marrying the rich, smoky flavor of traditional charcoal with the set-it-and-forget-it digital ease typically found in electric or pellet smokers. It's truly built for home grill masters who demand authentic charcoal taste without the traditional hassle, offering an exceptional outdoor cooking experience. Let's dive into the standout features that make the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 so compelling. First, the gravity-fed charcoal hopper. This brilliant design lets you load up to 10 pounds of lumped charcoal or 16 pounds of briquettes, providing up to 10 hours of uninterrupted cooking. This means true set-it-and-forget-it smoking convenience, freeing you from constant charcoal management during long cooks. Second, precision digital fan control and app connectivity. An integrated fan precisely manages airflow, allowing you to dial in temperatures from 225 degrees Fahrenheit for low and slow smoking to an intense 700 degrees Fahrenheit for searing. You can monitor and adjust everything from your phone via the Masterbuilt app. This delivers consistent results and the freedom to relax while your food cooks perfectly. Third, the included cast iron griddle insert. This transforms your unit into a multi-talented outdoor kitchen. Easily cook breakfast, smash burgers, stir fries, or fajitas. It significantly expands your cooking repertoire without needing additional appliances, adding incredible versatility for any meal. Fourth, ample 800 square inches of cooking space. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.